kind of hungry, so it's gonna be a 2-egg day today. Oh, the sky is so blue. The snow would be a lot more beautiful if it didn't knock out our power, though. At least we got this guy to cook on. So this was originally designed as a rocket-powered tandoor oven for cooking tandoori chicken or naan or things like that. But I did not marinate my chicken, so instead I'm using it with this barbecue grill, and I got a little barbecue cover too that I could put over it to help conserve the heat a little bit more if I want to. And gonna cook up some breakfast. Then I'm probably gonna boil some snow so that we can have some tea later on. Should probably put a little more wood in there. So we got these hardwood scraps. If you've seen any of Uncle Mud's other videos, you know that he loves these because he gets them for super cheap from the local flooring mill. And they're kiln dried, so they heat super well. I wanted to have this experiment where I used like some leaves and some twigs and stuff, but it's all damp and doesn't heat anywhere near as well as this stuff does. Let's check on this guy. Okay, probably should have let my pan heat up a little bit more before I started cooking. But hunger, it makes you do dumb things. Okay, so I'm back. And we're almost ready to flip. Once this gets going though, it'll be hot enough to do a few batches so that everyone can have their breakfast. You know what? I think I can flip them. Sorry, I'm not a professional chef here, so for me it's a good day if I don't break the yolk. And that's about as high as my aspirations are. Go and keep the handle over this rock so that less heat goes into it. If we do too much more cooking, I'll probably bring out a pot holder.
If you like this sort of thing, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or support our work and get access to exclusive Mud and Fire content at patreon.com/Uncle Mud. Thank you.